welcome to AI Mashinani. Today I'm going to introduce a very powerful and easy tool called Gamma. So Gamma is an AI-powered application that helps you to turn your ideas into PowerPoint slides. So once you're logged into Gamma, this is the page you get redirected to. So now let's get started. You click Create New. So by clicking Create New, you get directed to this page. So for here, you have these four options from which you can generate by giving it a prompt, and it will generate your presentation. Here now you can paste your existing notes, and they will be turned into a presentation. So also you can create a presentation from a template. Lastly, you can import your existing document or upload its URL, and the document will be turned into a PowerPoint presentation. So in today's session, we're going to turn our existing content. Now we're going to paste it here and see what Gamma is going to generate for us. So by clicking that, you get directed to this page where now you paste your content. After doing so, you are given these options here to generate like your content, to generate a presentation from the notes. Yeah, so from these notes we want a presentation. Of course, that's what we want. Option 2 here, you can summarize long text from your notes or your document. Option 3 now is when you have you want like the text we've pasted here to be preserved like exactly as it is. So let's continue. We are here in this page. So here what you can change is the theme, the presentation theme, how you want it. So it gives you multiple options from which you can select from. So all these are inbuilt are design themes from which you can select from. And also for the images, you can go for illustration, photorealistic. Let's use photorealistic images. Yeah, by selecting that, you can generate now the presentation. So Gamma started generating as a presentation. Oh, now our presentation is ready. So you can make edits over here. So you can edit with Agent. Here you can try a new layout. You can do writing edits, and you can do image edits. So maybe let's try a new layout. Generated these multiple options from which you can select from. So maybe we can go with this. Yeah, so that's how you can change a card layout. So let me show you how we can edit an image. So you can click the image, and then you can remove the image. You can delete it. So maybe if you have an image on your device and you want to upload it, so you can remove this one and click this upload icon, and then here you can click upload. That's how you can upload an image. So we can just return it back to how it was. Yeah, so that's all on Gamma for now. To get started with your AI journey, you can visit